So they say a picture's worth 1,000 words, right? Oh, man. Jeez, how do I feel right now? I can't find it. Which is probably a good thing. Because if I did, I don't think I'd be able to sleep. Okay. Grown up. Maybe. No, I can't do that with the other eye.